Madhav, great to finally meet you.
Likewise, Kavinder.
Welcome to my world. I know you've done lots of great stuff before. Let's try another one.
For sure, I am ready. Let's go. Every time we challenge our fans to show us some love, they've blown us away with their passion for realme. Push me to challenge my limits with something new and totally crazy. Well, what we have done today is we have extended our limits yet again, and this time we have pushed them all the way to the infinity. How about one last lap? Have you run out of fuel? No worries, buddy. My fuel goes up all the way to the infinity. Do you guys ever dare to capture infinity? If not, Realme challenges you to capture infinity with 108 megapixel camera. Stay tuned, we go live on 24th of March.
Realme, dare to leap.